Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurul Atira Abidah binti Mustafa, represent of my article which title Innovative Green Supply Chain Management. Okay, for the table of contents that I will present, which is first abstract, second introduction, third literature review, fourth methodology that I use, and five discussion. Lastly is conclusion. Okay, for the abstract, the study delves into the transformative review of green supply chain management (GSCM), demonstrating the potential of bibliometry analysis to guide the development of innovative green supply chain management practices. This approach can lead to a more sustainable future by leveraging the latest research and fostering collaboration across the entire supply chain. Introduction for this article that I will explain, which is green supply chains focus on eco-friendly practices can create a sustainable food system. However, developing economies face hurdles in adopting these practices. New technologies like AIoE offer promise for overcoming these challenges and building a greener, smarter food supply chain. For literature review, bibliometry analysis on green supply chain that I use, which this type of analysis involves the quantitative analysis of scholarly publications such as articles, books, and conference papers in order to examine patterns, relationships, and trends within a specific field of study. In the context of green supply chain, bibliometry analysis can be applied to systematically assess and analyze the body of literature on this subject matter. Okay, from the figure 1, a flow diagram of search strategy that's explained in the explanation of technology of green supply chain. A comprehensive bibliometry analysis was conducted utilizing the Scopus database with a specific search string and criteria and using bibliometry web interface. A bibliometry analysis are packaged. The search conducted on 27 June 2024 focuses on articles published between 2018 until 2024, written in English and falling within the subject areas of social science, business, or psychology. The search string comprised keywords related to green supply chain and technology. The screening process identified a total of 2,050 records. Subsequent to a thorough review, 98 records were excluded, leaving 152 articles for bibliometry analysis. The selected records exclusively comprise article in the form of journal publication. This methodology ensures a focused investigation into the dynamic and trends surrounding green supply chain for technology nowadays. For methodology that I use, bibliometry analysis on green supply chain management. That's figure 2. Main information explained. Insight gleaned from the Scopus database reveal reliable details about a compilation of 809 documents spanning the years 2018 until 2024. These documents are derived from 183 diverse journals. This showcasing a broad spectrum of subject matter. On average, each document is relatively recent, with an average age of merely 2.88 years, and they have accurate an average of 38.6 citations, underscoring their significance in the academic realm. The reference cited within these documents total 49,038. Illustrating a thorough and interconnected approach to research. The data also highlight the involvement of 2,118 authors, which 48 of them contributing documents are sole authors. Collaboration among authors is a notable aspect, with an average of 3.44 co-authors for document and substantial international co-authorship rate of 38.57%. The predominant document type is articles, emphasizing the scholarly nature of collection. The effective analysis and presentation of this information have been accomplished using the Shiny web interface, providing insights into the richness and collaborative dynamic inherent in the Scopus database. For Table 2, average citation per year, the data on average citation per year spanning from 2018 to 2024 provides valuable insight into the citation patterns of the given set of documents. In 2018, the mean citation per article was 78.16, with a total 107 articles contributing to an average of 11.31 citation per year over 7 citable years. Subsequent years exhibit variation in citation merit. In 2019 and 2020, the mean citation per article remained relatively high at 76.7 and 55.62, respectively, contributing to an average of 12.78 and 11.12 citation per year over 6 and 5 citable years, respectively. The years 2021 and 2022 show a slight decline in mean citation per article of 144.74 and 19.01, respectively, and a decrease in the average citation per year to 11.19 and 6.34 distribute over 4 and 3 citable years. Notably, 2023 and 2024 despite a further decline in mean citation per article to 9.21 and 1.62, with corresponding decreases in average citation per year to 4.61 and 1.62. respectively, over 2 and 1 citable years. This data suggests a trend of diminishing citation impact over the year, indicating a potential shift in the influence and reception of the documents within the academic community. For most relevant sources, the exported data reveals several noteworthy sources that contribute significantly to the dataset. Journal of Linear Production emerged as the most prominent source, providing insights through 27 articles following closely in the business strategy and the environment, with 11 articles, indicating its substantial contribution to the collection. Technological forecasting and social chain and transformation research part is the logistics and trend are constantly with 10 articles. International Journal of Production Economics and Environment Development and Sustainability are also notable, each featuring 8 and 6 articles respectively, underscoring their relevance in shaping the dataset. Journal of Manufacturing Technology Management, Technology in Society, and International Journal of Production Research contribute 5 and 4 articles respectively, showcasing their significant presence. For most global cited document, the analysis of the most globally cited document in the realm of technology green supply chain reveals a collection of impactful contribution. El-Casa N 2019 forecast chain stand out with 682 total citation. The document with the highest citation per year is marked separately and in outlier compared to the others, indicating its significant impact. Other documents have citation rates ranging from 1 to 450 citation per year, indicating varying levels of influence and importance. Most documents have citation rates between 1 and 450, suggesting a moderate level of influence within the field. There is one particularly influential document with 682 citation per year. For discussion, Conceptual, green and supply chain. Green supply chains are essential for a healthy planet. These eco-friendly practices consider not just saving businesses money, but also reducing environmental impact and promoting social responsibility throughout the entire product journey. This is especially important for the global food supply chain, where we face the challenge of feeding a growing population while protecting our environment. Ultimately, caring for the earth is not just good business, it's our responsibility. Okay, for green supply chain management, building a green supply chain is not easy feat. It requires a company to consider the environmental impact of everything they do, from sourcing material to delivering products. This is not just about a company-owned operation. It involves everyone in the supply chain, from suppliers to customer. The good news is that as businesses recognize this challenge, there are a growing push for innovative solutions to make supply chains more eco-friendly. Green supply chain management drive for innovation, which is since the 1990s, businesses realize environmental impact matters. GSCM goes beyond saving money, focusing on reducing waste and pollution. Researchers are figuring out how to best implement GSCM, but it's clear it's essential for businesses to be sustainable and competitive. Innovation, like sharing information and developing new processes, is another key to success. By working together, businesses can become more efficient and eco-friendly. Supply chain collaborative innovation. The secret sauce for businesses these days is innovation, whether it's developing new products or finding more efficient ways to operate. Coming up with fresh ideas is key to success, especially in manufacturing and service industries. Information technology helps by making communication and data sharing within a company's network easier. This kind of regulation fuels better decision making and ultimately a more sustainable and profitable businesses. For lastly, discussion is integrated GSCM, which is eco-friendly products are famous. To keep up, businesses have to develop new green products. This is not easy and requires teamwork throughout the entire supply chain. Companies that collaborate and share resources can create innovative products that are good for the environment and meet customers' needs. Two key ingredients for success are considering what's happening outside the company, like government, regulation, and customer preference, and what's happening inside, like the company's knowledge and resources. By focusing on both, business can win big, be sustainable product. For the conclusion, for this article, which green supply chains are getting a makeover with new technology and a focus on the environment are driving this change. These innovative green supply chains consider the environment at every step of a product's life, from how it's made to how it's disposed of. This can involve using recycled materials, less energy, and new recycling system. Businesses need to work together openly throughout the entire supply chain for this to work. With more and more people wanting eco-friendly product, businesses that embrace green supply chain can win over customers, help the change can win over customers, help the environment, and build a brighter future. That's all from me. Thank you.